Hi folks, welcome to River's Kitchen. We are going to do a new segment called
Hack It.
Can We Hack It is what it's called. We've been watching some of the food hacks that have been going around and we're going to do today the baked feta one, aren't we?
Yes.
Righty bud, first up is the feta cheese. Spread them all around. Good stuff. Nice. Garlic. Put it all around. Salt it up. That's it.
Pepper here.
That'll do the pepper, I reckon.
Oregano.
Alrighty. Shake it up. Whoa, that's it. Give it a good glug all over everything. Shake it all around, that's it. Over the top, yeah, on the other side. Let's grab this, now we're going to chuck this in the oven. Now our oven is set at 180.
I wish I could eat now. I'm starving.
Alright, well we've got to wait 30 minutes. Alright bud, so we're about the 20-minute mark. Let's have a look, see how she's progressing. What do you reckon? Load it out here. Whoa. Looking pretty good. That's it, turn it. Wow. Yep, we're going to grab a glug of the oil. That's it. And why do you reckon we're putting a bit of oil in there?
Because we have to go in.
Yep, so it doesn't stick together. It's a little hack on a hack. Let's go. Whoops, a daisies. We have got pasta all over the joint. Alright, bud, you ready to see it?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you reckon?
Good.
Ready for squashing all the feta and the tomatoes together, bud? Break it apart. Nice. Mix. Start mixing, Daddy will pour the pasta. That's it. Whoa. Knuckles. Good job, bud. That looks good. Who's ready for the taste test? So am I. What do you reckon? We get a surprise guest for the taste test? Alrighty, so our special guest is here, Hendrix. What do you reckon, bud? Need to cook? Alright, bud, you stuck in. Ooh, yummy.
That's good.
Good? Out of a score of 10, what do you give it?
20.
20? That's a pretty good score. I'm going to give it about an 8. I reckon it's that good. So, for Hendrix, you give a score for Hendrix.
Infinity.
Infinity as well. Alright, well, there you go. That's our final score. So you reckon we hacked it? Alright, well, while River keeps smashing this pasta, I think we've done a good job here. As I said, if you guys want us to do some more hacks, tag us at Growing Family Life on Instagram. In the hashtag #CanWeHackIt. We'll give it a go. What do you reckon? Alright, bye everyone. Hello. Yeah, bye.